Yeah, it's raining. I think it's gonna turn into snow soon. Starting to snow this morning. What time is it now? It's 6 something. They would have been about 6:30, I reckon. Just stopping by at a petrol station, getting some coffees, and starting snowing. So I reckon I'm gonna have a good day chasing snow today. Look at these ones. It's gonna get better, especially with the pine trees.
It's so crazy. It looks like infrared.
Yeah, I know. Ho ho ho! Is it Christmas? It's not Christmas, but it's still white. Look at all this snow. Look at all this snow. We're in Wonderland, buddy. We're in Wonderland. This is unbelievable. So unbelievable.
Infinite source of snow in Minecraft.
Oh yeah. Hey, Ade, what do you think? What do you think? Tell me what you think.
Cool.
It's cool
Well,
and
it's so fun.
of course. It's cool and it's cold.
And it's like Minecraft.
We checked the forecast a few days ago and it's gonna be snowy here. 80% chance of snow, -2. And we just came here. I left Sydney 4:30 and I've picked up 2 friends. Got here. It does not disappoint. Amazing place. All right, try it to the camera. Right? Whoa. We're Blue Mountains on our way to Oberon and we came across these pine forests and it's just so amazing. Everything's white. It's like white Christmas if you're in the US, but we're in Australia. We're having winter here in June and it's not even peak yet and it's already snowing like this. Amazing sight to see. And I'm here to test out my lens as well. I'm shooting with Nikon Z50 right now, but I'm testing the Nikon, the new lens. Hold on, gotta grab it into the... So I'm testing this lens, the new macro 50mm 2.8 from Nikon Australia. I'm using the Z6 right now, and of course it's so cold. I gotta wear the gloves, and this glove is so comfortable. It's not sponsored, but it's coming from Aquatech, and you can actually slip your index finger and your thumb out, just in case you want to do any adjustment to the settings.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world.
We came across this spot and the snowflakes is coming down from the sky, and they're big flakes too. It's truly amazing how we can experience something very different. It's only a couple of hours away from Sydney. I don't think the peak's gonna go. Nah, it's slowing down tomorrow from the forecast. As you can see, the flakes coming and landing on my face. day like this, you just can't help it, isn't it? Just pull over, nice spot, another pull over, and do another photos. Just can't help it. We might end up with gazillion photos that probably only a quarter, or only 10% that we're gonna get used. But that's a fun bit about photography. Although I'm actually a little panicked. Why? Because it's wet?
Flight 527 ready for departure.
So we found this beautiful alleyway full of snow. It's very narrow, but we're just not sure where this is leading to. So whether this is residential, I don't know, because it's not in my GPS map. So I'm just walking down there to check because there's a slope down there and it might be leading to somewhere. Just make sure we're not trespassing in someone's residentials, but there's no sign or anything, so I reckon it'll be probably okay. It looks okay. It looks like a public access, so you might just drive there and have a check. Maybe we'll find out, I guess. What a day today. It's been snowy out in the mountain today. It's been beautiful, turned out a lot better than expected, I reckon.
Yeah,
and I'm
awesome.
sure Ryan and Ben got some good shots too.
Yes, it was awesome.
Yeah, I'm so excited to get into the editing later on.
Same.
Yeah, but when you do something that you love doing with the shots, like you got some good shots, you get motivated to do the edits. So it's not so much of a burden. It's 4:59 now. It's getting dark. It looks pretty bright, but it's ISO 10,000. Actually, really dark because there's been road closures here and there. So we had to do the detour for about an hour. But now we're heading back to Sydney. It's been a good day. 5 p.m. now. Yeah, that's it. See you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Bye.